Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Phison server using the UDP custom website. More about VPN hidden tricks, please visit our blog before we start. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. It's quick, easy, and I'll guide you through every step of the way. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. In the search bar, type UDP custom and select the official website from the search results. You will be redirected to the homepage. Once you're on the UDP custom website's homepage, click on the menu icon located at the top right corner. A list of menu options will appear. From these options, select Phison Server and click on it. This will open the location page. Now click on the location. A countdown of 10 seconds will start, and once it's done, your server will be created. After the countdown, click the copy option to copy the server details to your clipboard. If you have any confusion about how to set up the Phison server on Zivpn and HTTP custom app, watch my previous video. The link is in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.